Today we're going to learn how to make a coil pattern with your pliers. So you're going to start off with your pliable wire that I have right here. And using your pliable wire is going to be very beneficial because it's going to coil very easily because it's so bendable. But when you're doing this just with the pliers, instead of wrapping it around a piece of wire, you're going to have to be very conscious of where you start on your pliers, the wrapping of this, and keep consistent with keeping in that spot. I'm going to do a small coil and wrap it around, keeping the circular shape and guiding with my thumb to maintain that. And coiling is a great way to accent any type of necklace, bracelet, or earrings. And you can actually make really cool things with it after you're finished, like I have here. Once you coil around in a circular pattern, you can make it a long line and then form it around, since it's a pliable wire, into a circular shape. And in this one, I actually took normal thread that you would use for sewing and wrapped that around to make an interesting pattern. Or you can, curve it around in a swirl type shape to make an interesting accent. So the possibilities of coil making are endless.